Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to fix TikTok following problem. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know how to fix or resolve TikTok following problem. If you are following different peoples and if you want to follow more than people, first of all you have to check your following list is completed or not. If you don't have capacity, then you have to unfollow some of the people and instead of that people you have to follow new ones. If you are not having this problem, then now come to the TikTok app, click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner, click on settings and privacy. Now scroll this bar and click on free up space. Now click on clear cache. You will have the space, you will have clear all the cache and you have the space to follow more people. Thank you so much. And if this problem is not resolved, then update your app or your version. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.